Hi, future nurses. If you've been to our channel before, welcome back. If you're new here, hi. I'm Abby, a registered nurse here at Blueprint Nursing, and I'm excited to help you in your journey to becoming a real deal registered nurse. Regardless of if you're in the early days of nursing school or preparing for your NCLEX, today's video can help you because we're going to be reviewing a few of my favorite test-taking strategies. Before we jump into the content, don't forget to subscribe, and if you're preparing for your NCLEX, check out our website for more information on our NCLEX prep resources. Alright, let's jump into the rest of the video. Before we can discuss test-taking strategies, it's important to quickly touch on study strategies for your exam. Preparing to study properly based on the exam format, content on your exam, and how much time you have available to allocate to studying will help set you up for success. If you have questions on study strategies for the NCLEX, be sure to check out our YouTube video on study skills where I review some tips and tricks to prepare for your NCLEX exam. Okay, so on to the strategies you can implement while in your exam. First, read the questions carefully. We all know nursing questions like to be sneaky, using words like always or never. Be sure to watch out for distractors and read your test question carefully. Pay close attention to the wording of each question, and again, watch out for important keywords. Second, prioritize client safety. The main goal of the NCLEX is to ensure you are capable of maintaining client safety. So when working through exam questions, critically think about client safety and prioritize answers that will promote the least harm possible. Remember those ABCs? That also falls into client safety. Don't forget to use principles like airway, breathing, and circulation when appropriate to determine client safety. Next, critically think like a nurse. You've been building your nurse brain all through nursing school, and you'll continue to grow it after you pass your NCLEX and work as a real deal registered nurse, but use that nurse brain. Remember your critical thinking skills and consider how you would handle the situation presented in the question if you were in a real clinical situation. That being said, don't forget that the NCLEX world is a perfect world. So imagine that you're in a perfect clinical environment and have every resource you'd need. Now on to time management. This is a skill you've been working on all through nursing school as well. Time management. Keep an eye on the clock to pace yourself accordingly. And if you're stuck on a question and running low on time, sometimes it's best to make your best educated guess and keep moving on through the test. And last but not least, stay calm and take breaks as needed. One thing I wish I'd done differently during my NCLEX was take a break sooner. You're given breaks for a reason, so take them. If you're struggling or starting to panic in your head, take a step back. Go to the bathroom, take some deep breaths, give yourself a pep talk in the mirror, and remind yourself that you can do this. Thanks so much for reviewing these test-taking strategies with me today. If there's any other topics you'd like to see covered, be sure to leave them in a comment below. And remember, if you're preparing for your NCLEX, check out our website for all of our NCLEX prep resources. Until next time, happy studying!